Okay guys, we're at it again, working on the little camper. As you can see, this is one of the cabinets. This actually holds the refrigerator. And I'll get some light on here, make it a little better to see. What we're doing today is this space right here was blocked off. It was just unused space. And we were needing some space to put a radio, maybe a DVD player, and some storage. So I've opened this up across here, and we're reframing it to gain us some space. And we have a shelf cut that'll fit across here, but right up here, we actually stuck down almost 2 inches. And since we're adding extra framing from here across, we don't necessarily need all that in here, but we do need a support for this countertop. So this is the old support here that came out, and you can see it's doubled up. And it went in like this, came up like this. Well, we're going to basically take one of these pieces of wood here, and instead of it being turned vertical, we're going to turn it horizontal. And instead of being doubled up, we're just going to put the one piece in. The problem I had, and I'll show you the little hack that I've come up with to solve this, is see these staples right here? They go through this board and into the top. The staples I have for my pneumatic stapler are either too short or too long. So, instead of making a trip to town, which is about 24 miles round trip, plus it wastes my good daylight working time, we're just going to do a little hack. I only need about 6 staples across there. So, this set here I've already done. What I do, and when I'm not dropping my tools, sorry about that. What I do is I take and I just clip off 3. And you just take your cutters from the back side and you just barely clip on it, and they pop off, and you take off 3. Okay? You determine how long you want them. And once again, I really need a tripod, but in this little camper, it's really hard to even get good video because there's just not enough room to get far enough away from stuff. So, anyway, you decide how long you want them. You slide your cutter in. Now, you actually cut them at the very back. And let me lay the phone down for just a second, and let me get that positioned. Okay, so anyway, you cut them from the very back. You clip one side, and you simply turn it over. Again, sorry. Okay, and you clip the other side. And these things fly, so watch your eyes. And they all flew that time, but you get the point. You come up with this. And what you do is you just load these back in your stapler. I'm using a cheap Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic stapler. I've had this thing for years. You get a kit. The kit comes with 1,500 staples, a spare piston, all that. If you're not doing commercial work, it's fine for the money. Like I said, I've had one for years and they work great. Just keep them oiled up. Don't abuse them. Make sure you regulate your pressure down to about 90 pounds on your air compressor, and they work good. But now I have staples the proper length so that I can staple up through here and it not come out my top. Just another redneck hack there, guys. Talk to you later.